Hey guys, it's Dynamite. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For this Christmas special, it's the first one. Yes, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Yes. I'm gonna sing Pink Triangle by Weezer because I like singing. I love singing so much, and that's why I'm gonna do it. I don't have any good Christmas songs, but this is good enough. It's gonna be on December 25th. Yeah, Merry Christmas, I think. When I'm stable long enough, I start to look around for love. Oh no! Oh, sorry. My mind begins the arrangements, but when I start to feel that pull, turns out I just pulled myself. I forgot the lyrics. Oh wait. Were I the last girl on earth? I'm dumb, she's a lesbian. I thought I had found the one. We were good as married in my mind, but married in my mind's no good. The pink triangle, honestly. Let me know the truth. Let me know the truth. Yes, I want to know the truth. I love Christmas so much, and I want to know the truth about Christmas. No, I don't. But I love Christmas. Might have smoked a few in my time. I don't know how to scope, but never thought it was a crime. Knew the day would surely come. Oh my gosh!